Today's event was very, very exciting. I mean, let's face it, there are 1,001 industry events or different practices that you can go to where you can see different things. You know, we have things like all these different conventions and different departments. And the thing that was nice about this is that it was very, very specific. You know, everybody came here because of the fact that they wanted to gain insight and get better using a common application. The other side that was really, really unique, and it speaks tremendously to, you know, to Cox and VinSolutions, is to turn around and have all these people that are here that are going to pour in their knowledge and pour in their expertise, and they're doing it for free. I mean, basically, if you could get here, you could walk into the room and you could get this information poured into you, and you could take the pieces back to your particular organizations or your particular position to turn around and help them become better. That's one of the things that really stood out above everything else.